Hey, this is Audra Annika James from AudraAnnikaJames.com, and I'm going to do a short little tutorial on affiliate marketing for beginners. I've gotten a ton of questions about this, and I want to help people get started. So, just super simple, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when you sell someone else's product for them and you get a commission from it. It's really as simple as that. This is different than network marketing or multi-level marketing. You're not building a team. You don't get commissions off of anybody else's sales. You simply just get paid off of what you sell. Usually they're online products, right? So they could be software products or courses, subscriptions to things, whatever it is. So you get a little piece of that money and everybody else, and then the person gets theirs. And the reason why they do that is so that they don't have to sell, and you're the person that's going out and offering it to people. So with affiliate marketing, this is what everybody thinks you need. You need a product with affiliate links, you need social media accounts, and you need a list or an autoresponder, but it's only optional. And yes, this is true. That's what everyone thinks you need. And technically, yes, you do need these things. And this list is not terribly wrong. But then you're going to just be like everybody else. Okay, so what ends up happening is that everybody else using those things make a little bit of money. There might be a couple of outliers, maybe who have a really big network that make a ton of money, but they make just a little bit of money. And so you're just like everyone else in the pack, going out there, showing people the links and saying, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. You want to differentiate yourself. Okay, that's what you want to do. And that's a little bit about what I'm going to teach you today. This is what you actually need. Yes, you need a product, you need your affiliate links. Yes, you need social media accounts. And your list and an autoresponder to manage that list is actually required, not optional. If you want to kill it and make a ton of money, 6 figures or more in one or more affiliate programs, you need your list. Also, you need to follow up with that list. So it's not just about sending out links to people. You hear the fortune is in the follow-up, and that's absolutely true. You need a funnel. And I'm going to explain to you a little bit of what that means. You need a website or blog. You need a target market. You need to be talking to not just anybody, but to particular people. And with that, you need to have, your own personality, your own story, and you're speaking to the people that you want to attract. Webinars is also something that's kind of an optional thing, but if you really want to kick it up a notch and you really want to go whole hard with 6 figures, kind of required. And you need a paid strategy plan and a free strategy plan. So we talked a little bit about the affiliate links and the products. We talked about social media accounts, and I talked a little bit about the list. And follow-up is pretty simple. Follow up with the folks that you went to and, continuously tell them your story, continuously ask them, what they need and what they help with, and continuously ask them what they thought about the particular product that you're talking about. So this isn't about follow-up. This isn't about prospecting, but, it is something that you need to know. Now, funnel. I'm going to explain to you what a funnel is if you don't know what a funnel is, and show you a little bit about how, although you may have an affiliate link that's got a funnel, how we differentiate and you can become that one person that stands out. So here is my funnel. As you can see, it's got my URL, Work with Audra, and it is a funnel here. I'm using ClickFunnels, which is fantastic. And you click on the button here, and you get that, and that person fills in their email address. Okay, super important for you to fill out that email address. Okay, and it gets submitted. Now, this is a video, and I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to stop the video, but this is a video that I created that is actually a little bit of my story that happens before you actually get to the capture page for the product that I'm selling, this affiliate product, okay? I don't think I can fast forward it, but here you go. So I'm just going to stop it here. I'm not going to go through the whole video. My point is that I've created a little bit of something that tells you a little bit about me, who I am, and why I'm offering this to you. So if you're interested in me, you're more likely, and you hear my story and you hear why it is that I like the product that I'm offering to you, you're more than likely going to be interested. And then you go ahead and click to continue. And then you end up with the affiliate link. Okay, and this is the affiliate link of the product that I'm offering. Okay, or if you click in here, you'd have to put in your information, and then there's a video and explains the whole system and everything there. But the point is that I've done something to differentiate myself against the millions of other people who are probably offering that same product. Okay, now a website and a blog. Yes, you do need a website and a blog. I think it's required because you want people to know who you are. You want to have a presence online. And if you're serious about making money, then, it's something that I think is important. What do you talk about in your blog? Well, you talk about the topics that are important to you, but more importantly, important to your target audience, okay? You want to give them value. You want to teach them something, whatever that is. If your affiliate product is in the health and wellness industry, great. Talk about health and wellness. If it's in the travel industry, great. If it's in the education industry, great. Whatever it is, teach people a lot about what that is and what there is they're looking for. And then you have this add-on products that adds even more value to what you're already teaching them. They get to know, like, and you differentiate yourself in the industry, right? So they're getting to know, like, and trust you. You're differentiating yourself. And people don't buy just products. They buy from people. They buy from people that they trust. We talked a lot about target market already, about who it is you're trying to speak to. Maybe you're trying to speak to parents. Maybe you're trying to speak to artists. Maybe you're trying to speak with people who have full-time gigs who are trying to make a little extra money part-time. Whatever it is, figure out who that target market is. Webinars. You want to talk, you want to do some webinars. Webinars could talk about your product, talk about how amazing your product is, get other people on to do testimonials about your product, all sorts of different stuff that you can do with webinars. The point is to get yourself seen on video, to get other people seen on video, maybe people who are experts, in that particular product or industry, and get people excited. And the way they get people excited is by video, right? So webinars, teach people something and show them who you are and get people pumped. And really, that helps bring your income over the top. And then you've got paid and free strategy plans. I'm going to talk a little bit about that in this particular slide here. So you've got two kinds. You've got the free and you've got the paid. I'm not going to go into super details, but with free, you've got your social media posts. You're posting on Facebook, on Instagram, Pinterest, what have you, YouTube, Twitter. Blog posts, you're doing videos, so it could be the Facebook Lives or YouTube. Believe it or not, the Twitter one, the Periscope, that's still around. Webinars are free. Now, you may have to pay for the webinar software itself in order to do the webinar, but people, you don't have to pay to get people onto the webinar, right? Like, you can promote that yourself. And then active prospecting, talk to people that you know in your warm market, talk to people that you end up being friends with or who follow you. Hey, talk about what it is that is your product's about and find out if they have a need for it. If I showed you something, would you be interested? If not, no biggie, that kind of thing. This isn't a video about prospecting, but the point is that sometimes, yeah, going out and talking to people and saying, hey, check this out, actually works, right? And that's the difference between people who think that they could just shoot links out to people, and you, right? Because you're going out there, you're actually having a conversation, you're cultivating a relationship, and that's how you make more money than the person who's just like, I'm going to distribute my link just everywhere. So with paid ads, you've got solo ads. Solo ads is when there are a bunch of people or an individual who has this huge mailing list, and they market to their huge mailing list. They have a relationship with their mailing list. They have a newsletter that goes out about, I don't know, whatever it is that they're talking about, and they sell ad space in their newsletter. And it's called solo ads. It's because your ad is the only ad space, and you usually pay per click. So you put out that ad, and you're paying for however many clicks. So they put out the ad only until, let's say you pay for 100 clicks, 100 clicks. After that 100 clicks, then obviously your ad stops. And the thing is, you're paying for the clicks, and once people click on your ad, the goal is that they click on that link, but then they also keep going, right? They give you your email address, and then even then, maybe you get the sale and buy the product, right? So you're looking to get leads, primarily, and then later on to get sales. Facebook ads, YouTube ads, those are all pretty, you know, self-explanatory. You're creating an ad and it's showing up and you're paying for it, showing up in Facebook and in YouTube. Then you've got pay-per-view, where you're actually paying for someone to actually view your information as opposed to just click on your information. A completely different animal, and the way that you actually do those ads is different. And so that's a lot of information out there. If you're a beginner, it's, you know, you might feel overwhelmed. And I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, okay? The fact of the matter is that um, just starting, getting a link and just promoting that link out there will get you started. You can make a little bit of money doing that. But then getting training and continuous training and upping your game and doing the things that I was saying that were required, that's what's going to bring you over the top. And that's going to be the difference between you and everybody else. Now, here's the other clue, and here's the other piece that's super important. Once you actually get somebody to buy the product, you don't want that relationship to end. First of all, they're on your list, right? But second of all, someone who's likely to buy from you is more than likely to buy from you again. Now, what if I told you that there was a system, an affiliate system, that did all of that work for you? You actually got them to see the link and got them to the opportunity, and they sold the opportunity for you. And then once they purchased that opportunity, became a buyer, they sold other opportunities and other products that actually cost more money, which means that if they cost more money, you actually get more commissions and you get more money, and you don't have to do any of that work for you. It is a completely done for you system. What if I told you I had a system like that? I do. And what if I told you that it costs only $1? Right. The system that I have is completely set up and done for you, and it costs only $1. And in that dollar, you get this amazing boot camp. Now, remember I told you about all of this stuff? How would you like to learn about solo ads? How would you like to learn about how to run an affiliate business so you can become a six-figure earner? How would you like a boot camp that's got 18 modules and free live coaching? You get a coach and you get sessions with a coach to talk about how you can either start or up your game in your business, and you get this for $1. If you're interested, click on the link below and check that out. And I promise you, working with this particular program, with the done for you system, and working with my tribe, you can't even, you do the work, you can't fail. Now I promise you, it's going to be work. Yeah, it's a lot of work. I'm not even going to lie. But you do it, you'll make money. I just recently had my very first $1,000 day using this system. You can too. So I hope this helps. I hope at the very least you got some really good information about affiliate marketing and about what you need to do to crush it in any affiliate marketing program. And if you're interested in this $1 system with done for you additional offers so that you can get paid over and over and over again, let me know. Click on the link below and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.